Not the maps that charted our world. Not the phone book of the world. I mean 3i Atlas. The thing itself. The visitor. The silent, beautiful problem hurtling our way. They named the program 3i for Triple Independent Detect. A system designed for redundancy, for certainty. 3 telescopes, 3 teams. One ugly little miracle flung in from the dark. They named the comet Atlas for the titan that held the sky. Cute, right? A little bit of poetry for the end of the world. Like we could hold this. Like it was ever ours to hold. Picture it. An 8-kilometer core. An iron-nickel snowball that never learned how to melt. A relic from the dawn of everything. A frozen piece of history. A tale 120 million kilometers long. Longer than 800 Earths, end to end, whipping behind it like a scythe made of breath. It's screaming through the inner system at 38 kilometers per second. Blink, and it's a continent away. Blink again, and it's crossed an ocean. Closest pass? 0.32 AU. 48 million kilometers. 12 million miles. Close enough to feel like a rumor on your skin. A ghost passing through the room. Right now, it's behind the sun, inferior conjunction, hidden, except when it coughs. You can't see the body, not directly. You see the outgassing. X-ray flares where sunlight and vacuum yank 800 tons of CO2 off its surface every second. 800 tons, every heartbeat. A mountain of ice turning to gas. The tail curves, a whip chasing the hand that holds it. Where did it come from? That old cold cemetery beyond the planets. The Oort cloud. A trillion frozen bodies waiting for a push. A refugee, never bound by a tidy oval, never domesticated by gravity like the others. Kicked by a passing star, for the first time in 2 million years. Just once, a cosmic shoulder bump, and it fell. A long, slow fall toward the light. It threaded the giants. Jupiter missed it by 0.02 AU. That's a bullet sliding past a god's temple, a hair's breadth in cosmic terms. And then we saw the wake in the magnetosphere. A smudge, a surge, a glitch that turned into data. The first whisper of its arrival. I wasn't supposed to say any of this. The press kits call it nominal and non-threatening. The words feel like plastic fork tines, brittle and useless. NASA's feed loops the safe angles, the clean charts, the models that cut off before dawn. The network I used to respect clipped the audio where the spectrometer coughed up sulfur traces. The memo said likely calibration. It wasn't. It was the comet's true voice, and they silenced it. My numbers: 38 kilometers per second, 0.32 AU close, tail 120 million kilometers, angular shift 0.012 degrees per hour, 41 hours to impact, that's 0.5 degrees drift, Earth subtends 1.5 degrees. So yes, 1 in 3 the tail clips us. That's the part they don't say out loud. That slice is 400,000 kilometers long. Earth goes right through it. Iron dust, plasma, UV, the ghost of a star. Bermuda first, New York second, Detroit third. A predictable path across an unprepared world. You won't see the head. You'll see the sky turn red like sunset at noon, and you'll taste iron when you cough. Your phone's compass twitches. The planet's magnetic heartbeat stutters. Radios hiss with the sound of the solar wind. Satellites blink, their sensors tasting dust that last saw sunlight 2 million years ago. The night writes with meteors, a global shower from a pen that isn't there. For a few hours, we live inside the comet's handwriting. We breathe its memory. They call it a near miss. But when dawn arrives, the sky will remember what it felt like to be touched. Dawn won't break clean. The air will rumble with quiet static, a hair-raising hush that makes birds wait in the trees. Auroras crawl down to the tropics, curtains of green veined with red, painting oceans you've never seen from land. Radios lose their grip, then catch, then lose it again, like breathing through a straw. Satellites spin to safe mode. GPS drifts a street, then a block. Planes reroute in long arcs that redraw the sky. Grids shed load to live. A million tiny blackouts, Dominoes falling and standing, falling and standing. In the middle of it, dust writes on our atmosphere. Iron fog turning sunlight the color of old copper. People film the meteors and forget to blink. For a heartbeat, the world shares one thought. We are inside a story older than us. By midnight, the tale thins. By morning, the instruments sigh. We call it a near miss. The sky calls it a memory.